Hi, today in front of me OPPO Find N2 Flip, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and in the search bar we should enter the Ampere. Now we should get this application, that's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, tap to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close, on the left down corner, tap to OK. Now we can see here information about battery temperature, and in my case that's 28 and 5 degrees. Also we can see here and find more information like the battery status, health, capacity, voltage, Android version, and more other info. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.